Alright, I'm here at the junkyard. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can't find a fan clutch or a mechanical fan setup for my wrecker with the fuel injected 460. I may do that, or I may see if I can. They've got a couple Ford Windstars in the lots. I'll see if any of those still have the fans, because that should be enough. This is my first time. This junkyard's like 7 minutes from my house. My first time being here. It's a relatively new place. So we'll have to see what they got. Well, right as I went to get out of the truck, we got a little bit of hail mixed in here. So I think today may be a little bit of a wash. We might have to try this again tomorrow. So, all right. Well, maybe I'll go get something to eat, see if it passes. All right. Well, it's lit up for now. Guess we'll walk out here and see what we can see. Well, getting rain and sleet on here, but we got a Windstar here, and it has the fans in it, so hopefully they work. I'll go ahead and, if I was smart, I would have brought like an adapter for my Milwaukee fan or my Milwaukee 12-volt battery so I could test, but I'm not. But anyway, we'll get these pulled out, see if they work. All right, got it out. I don't think there's too many people around here, so I don't sound like a weirdo talking to myself, but got it out. Obviously I left the pigtails on them. I also had something to connect to. The hood latch bracket I had to just bend out of the way. I'm not sure which way these fans are supposed to come out. Let's just come out from the bottom or what. To bend that AC line forward, and I also had to snap a transmission line. But other than that, she came out pretty easy. All right, I got the fan home. Got it here in the garage. Let's see how many amps these things actually draw. I mean, I guess I need to, just see, what size wires and all that. They've got what looks to be about a 12 gauge wire on it. I was reading these things. People usually fuse them and relay them for like 30 amps a piece, which is probably what I'll do. But I'm just curiosity. I want to see. So here's the setup. We've got a power supply. We'll just run straight power into them. This talks wirelessly to this. We've got our amp clamp set to 60 amps. Zero it. It shows up, and I've got this set up on the amp clamp 60 amp scale. That should just go straight across. I don't think I need to do any conversions, but if I do, it's right there. Anyway, let me see if I can't set you up where you can see what I'm about to do. Alright, so I'm going to elect to test this bigger fan first. I'm assuming it's going to be loud, but we will find out. Let's see here. All right, so here's where we're at. When it first hits, you're looking right at 60 amps. Then it drops down. By the end of the first second, you're under 30 amps, and your idle, your normal usage, you're under 24 amps, probably about 22 amps. That's why these guys are able to run them on 30 amp breakers and 30 amp relays per fan, because it draws more, but just for a second. And it usually takes a little bit more to pop it. So I'm gonna go do the same thing with the smaller fan. All right, now we're doing the same thing to the smaller fan. Alrighty, smaller fan, more of the same. You know, first turns on, we're up to 60 amps. You know, a second in, we're at 24, 25 amps. Then it levels out, you know, right around 18 to 20 amps. So it draws a little bit less power, but you know, still very similar. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. You know, the right answer is probably to run that bigger fan on, you know, a larger relay, or, you know, maybe run both of them on 60 amps or whatever. But I don't know. I think this might be the end of this video. Maybe the next one I'm going to order some relays and fan controllers and all that, and then we'll figure out how to get it in that wrecker. All right. Bye.